asking a few of my colleagues on what motivates them to come to work every day. Let's start by going over to Puneet and asking him how he feels. Yes. Hi Puneet, how are you?
Hi, sir.
So Puneet, what motivates you to come to office and work at the Codleon every day?
So what motivates me is that I always want to start my career in Salesforce. So from past few years, I was tracking down the companies which are good in startups and are working on the product of Salesforce. I found that this company is constantly year by year and growing. So I opted in this company and founded it a good company to have my career start a good kickstart.
Okay. After Puneet, now we move to Ayushi, who is working as a digital marketing executive. Come, let's meet her. So Ayushi, what motivates you to come to Codleon every morning?
So the happy workplace environment of Codleons really motivates me to come here every day, and I really enjoy them, and I really get an opportunity to learn with them every day.
Thank you, Ayushi.
Thank you.
Thank you for the compliment. So now we'll be moving to some other people. We'll get their feedback. So on to the third person. And now we're moving on to the lovely Shivani Pandey and get her opinion on what motivates her to come to Codleon every morning. Hi Shivani.
Hello.
Tell me what motivates you.
What motivates me is the great workplace, fun environment, and also my preservation to know that I will succeed in my field one day, and also the great guidance that I'm getting here and the mentorship.
Okay. So now we are heading to Aman Verma, who works in Codleon as a team lead. Let's ask him what he feels about the question. Hi Aman. So how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
And what motivates you to come to Codleon every morning, Aman?
So, sir, the thing that makes me feel motivated every day is that whenever I think that I am a part of something bigger, that is, I feel motivated that something that is bigger than myself. And the thing that motivates me is that Cold is full of learning. Every day I feel that I get challenging tasks that allow me to think out of the box daily.
Thank you, Aman. And now we're going to speak to Vishal Tyagi, who's again a team lead. Let's see what he has to say. Hi, Vishal.
Hi, sir.
So, Vishal, what motivates you to come to Team Codleon every morning?
So, as I am the part of this team for about 2 years. So, what motivates me is that I get the new challenges in the office daily in the daily routine. So there is not something like that. I do a similar work daily. I get a chance to work on the different technologies. So it's get me motivated to come office daily.
Thank you, Vishal.
That's
Thank
what
you so
I
much.
like about this office.
Thank you, Vishal.
Thank you so much, sir.